Hey there, I have another unboxing to do. I have a SFP, SFP Plus, QSFP, and XFP. Now this is a 1.25 gig SFP dual LC multimode fiber, 850 nanometers. You can't find these very often, but I came across this at a phenomenal price, so I'm going to put a link in the description to this product below here in the description area. And what I got here, obviously it's an SFP, but actually it's a box of 10 SFPs. I bought these and actually forgot about them, but I bought these because I was in a position where I was running out of multimode fiber SFPs, and I needed something that would do the trick and work in most cases. But now I have a bunch of network gear that specifically is Aruba required, and I will not use these SFPs on this. But if I'm connecting up a couple of media converters or a small point-to-point network over fiber, I would use these because they're cheap and they're reliable and they work well. So again, there's a pack of 10 of them. They were not a lot of money. I will put a link in the description to this product, and I think if you try them, you'll like them and you'll save a ton of money. So thanks for watching and have a great day.